So today we're going to be putting a roof rack up onto this. I've got a roof rack off my old vehicle. We're going to pull it off, take the ladder off of it, put it on. Should be pretty straightforward and pretty easy. Let's get to it. Ladder's off. The reason why I had the ladder was just to help get up onto the roof rack if I needed to put cargo up here. And especially on a day like today when there's slick snow on it, having that ladder helps. Now that I've taken it off, trying to get back up here has actually proved to be quite difficult. That ladder will eventually go back onto the Subaru, but I didn't show it. But on the side of the vehicle, on the vehicle body, I had these foam pads so that the ladder wouldn't bump up against the paint. I don't have any more of those, so until I get those, that ladder won't be mounted onto the Subaru. So we're gonna do just the roof rack. So we've got these are the brackets that hold the roof rack on. I've already taken this one off. There's 3 more, one in each corner. Basically, the crossbars of the vehicle go into this, and then the pipes on the rack are supposed to squeeze into these. And so it would actually get installed like this, and that'll put the roof rack quite high up on the vehicle. I'm thinking there might be a way for me to flip it the other way around, have the bars running through the roof rack, and that'll lower the profile of the roof rack a bit. So we'll get those off, we'll pull the roof rack off, we'll give that a try. If not, we'll just mount it properly and normally. So that's it. Battery died on the camera. I couldn't find the charging cable, so it's actually been a couple of days. You might notice there's a lot more snow now. But I found the cable, and I'm able to get the rest of this video done now. So it's mounted up, everything's good. You might not be able to see it because of this ledge, but the spare tire is mounted as well. It's not a full size, I don't have a full size spare yet. But for now I've just got that, and all that's holding it on is just a U-bolt that looks just like that. And it's not moving around at all. Those of you with a keen eye, you might notice that it's offset. And that's because I have a 6-foot RV awning that I'm gonna be mounting on the side of this at some point, so that I'll be able to have an extendable awning on the driver's side of the car. So that's it, it's mounted up, it doesn't go anywhere. That's it, thanks for watching.